I just caught the 9:30 a.m. bus from Santo Domingo to Las Terrenas. It's a bit of a sketch part of town, actually. Chinatown, they say it's not too dangerous, but kind of is. This one's an express bus, as you can see. It's a coach, but it's a bit more of a dated coach. 3-hour bus ride. Here's a bit of the neighborhood. So I'm with my friend Edward here. Just got off the bus in Las Terrenas. It's a 100 peso motor ride, which is about like $2.50. Saves me this long walk. Alright, so my buddy, the moto driver, didn't actually know he was going. He was going like another town over. I told him to get off the highway or on the wrong road. So we finally got to the hotel. It's pretty nice. There's this dope pool here. And then, welcome to my room. I'm paying about 200 Canadian for 2 nights, so 100 a night. It is a really nice looking place. Look at this, I got a little desk there. I went with a room with a fan. I do not have air conditioning, which should be fine. We're near the water, so it should get in breezy. You got little chairs here. And then you got the back here for the washroom. You got sink, nice little shower, and the baño. There's my hotel. We are going just about 200 meters or so to the beach. Gonna do a sunset beach walk. The water here in Las Terrenas actually feels pretty lukewarm, not too cold, not hot, but the algae actually isn't as bad as I thought. Sure, it's here, but it's little wisps. I do see a lot of like burnt down structures, and the trees are all messed up, and I think that's from the hurricane that blew through about a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. There's a lot of construction going on here with buildings with collapsed roofs and stuff, so I really think you even see some palm trees completely tipped over, like one up here. There's a couple of those, so definitely some damage from that hurricane. Let's walk. So how this place is laid out, you got like a bit of a curve at the beach end there. The road curves back in, so there's not much after this, but right around here, my hotel's over here, and right here in the center of the cove is where all the restaurants are, and then it extends all the way out to that peninsula there on that little tip. So right around the peninsula, you hear a lot less of the annoying motorcycles coming by, so it's nice and peaceful aside from that music blaring up ahead. And there's not much waves here. Outside of town here, you also see a lot of these complexes. Looks like a lot of tourists staying with timeshares and stuff, or owned apartments, possibly even Airbnb. I actually saw some of these on Airbnbs when I was here, but I've already been walking maybe 15 minutes, so it is a bit outside of town. All right, this ends the farthest west L walk today. As you can see, the beach sort of ends there, and then it's just rocky outpost.